I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with swift, practical checks. Power off the phone, remove the case, and if possible, remove the battery. This prevents shorts while you look. Next, inspect the cable and plug for fraying or burn marks, then shine a light into the charging port and remove lint with a soft toothpick or compressed air. Gently. Finally, plug in a known good charger and cable that match the phone's charging specs so you can isolate if the issue is accessory or device related. Once you've isolated accessories, move to deeper checks. Try a different wall outlet and a second cable and adapter to confirm hardware versus port failure. Then boot into safe mode to see if an app is draining or blocking charging. Uninstall any suspicious recent apps. Make sure the OS is current. Software bugs can halt charging. If problems persist, reboot, clear system, cache, or use the built-in battery calibration method. These steps often fix misreported battery states or charging control glitches. If software and accessories are ruled out, perform targeted maintenance. Power down and clean port contacts with 90% isopropyl on a cotton swab, then retest. If that fails, replace the charging port or battery. Some phones have inexpensive modular parts, others require service. As a temporary solution, use a certified wireless charger if supported. If charging still fails, stop DIY, contact authorized repair. Make sure to mention warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.